Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your camera to your smartphone, Sony cameras. So yeah, first let's determine what app we need to use. So as you can see here, I show you the creators app. So this is for new version of cameras, as you can see right here. FX3 all the way to LX LR1. So this is really for new version of cameras. If you have A7S3, you can use it also for this one. But I think my camera is not here. All right. So for older cameras, which app you will need is Imaging Edge Mobile. So this one, EAM, that you can get here on Google Play or App Store. So if you have newer version of camera, download it right here the same way as we will do. So we can go here to Google Play. Uh, so let me show you on my mobile. So I just need a few moments to connect to my phone. All right, so now type in into the search Imagine Edge Mobile. So we can use EAM. I think it will find something, yeah, like you see here, Sony Imaging Edge Mobile. And what we need to do is just install this app. Okay, now what we need to do is open the app. All right, select your country region. So select that. Now we will need to agree and proceed with this uh, thing. Okay, and sign in. So let's say we will. Here's mine. Now we need to select here what best describes us, like so. Let's say this one. What we have, music, like so, sport. All right. Only this time. All right. Now we need to select the camera model name we want to register. So where will you find this model name is at the bottom of your camera. You will see a label and then it will says like ILCE, then 7RM3 is on my app. So if you don't see in this menu, you have at the bottom models other than the above. Now we can click here on camera connection registration. And again, what we have at the bottom, I think we have, okay, so we need to find QR code in our camera. So let me jump into back to the camera to show you how we can enable this, that we connect smartphone and camera. So let me jump back into the camera. All right, now we are back in camera. So what we need to do is head over to the menu and then select this at the top, the third menu, which is like global, so network. And we need to go here to the page number 1, smartphone, select that, and we will turn that on. And then we have connection here, Wi-Fi standby. We need to wait a few moments. And right here we have now QR code. So uh, we can scan this QR code with our phone now. All right. Now you see that we pairing here. Okay, so pair. Also confirm on phone, like so. Now we are connected.